Our world is rapidly shifting to Industry 4.0 model. The focus is on interconnectivity with multiple platforms at the same time. Such highly dense interconnectivity brings with it its own challenges of safety and security. Network attacks have become more widespread, leading to loss of data and money. As people's dependency on technology and intelligent devices increase, industry is recognizing the need for penetration testers. Organizations utilize network penetration testers to assess the vulnerability of their information systems to network attacks. Penetration testing goes beyond just vulnerability assessment. Penetration testers identify and actually exploit the weakness found in the networks, hosts, and devices, building all possible scenarios which can be exploited. Instead of just giving a report of potential threats, network penetration testers help the enterprise grasp the real level of risk posed by specific vulnerabilities. Certisured offers an advanced course on network penetration testing, which contains 6 modules. The course also includes Python for cybersecurity as a part of its 6-module course. So why learn Python programming? The results of penetration testing may vary depending on its scope and time frame, as well as the abilities of the individual penetration tester. The tester will not have access to the same resources that criminal hackers can have, be it in time, cohorts, or the attack tools. To address these issues, there will be a need to build your own tools and automate attacks of different nature. This proves that penetration testing is not an exact science but an art that needs to be mastered. That's where Python programming will play a major role. The demand for network penetration testing is rising. A recent survey showed that the salary for an entry-level tester starts around 10 lakh Indian rupees and reached a maximum of around 30 lakhs Indian rupees for a seasoned penetration tester with knowledge on Python tools and automation skills. Register today for a demo class and win early bird discounts on this industry excellence program.